What's up, YouTube? Pat the Car Guy here from Gresham Toyota, your gateway to adventure. Talking to you about this awesome truck right here. Pre-owned truck we have in currently 2015 TRD Sport Access Cab 6-speed manual. Has some cool upgrades on it. We'll talk about this first, and then we'll also talk about what makes this truck super unique. TRD Pro grille up front. Also the TRD aluminum skid plate. It's also got TRD off-road 3rd gen wheel and tire setup. Full tow package. It is a TRD Sport model. They've got the factory bed mat in there. Of course, it's got the power outlet like all TRD models from 2004 on up, I believe, or 5 on up. They did the bed stiffeners. Also, it has the mountain hatch tailgate insert. Pretty cool. They also added these WeatherTech visors. It's got keyless entry. Of course, we got power options. It's a manual, and they changed the shift knob. Pretty low miles though, 52,000 miles. There's your backup camera screen, your touch screen for your Bluetooth audio and your audio. Does have USB input and auxiliary input. Seating for 4. So what's really cool about this 15, and it's a manual. This one's still a 4-liter. The new one, the 3rd gen, is the 3.5 liter, and as they say, there's no replacement for displacement. This one definitely has more torque if you're going to tow or something like that. Yeah, and the previous owner definitely took care of it. You can see he even marked at what interval he changed fluids and things like that. Super nice truck. Also, we're asking, I think, like 25 for this, and I thought I'd just point out, this just says a great testament to Toyota Tacoma resale value. The 3-year residual on the same truck, brand new, I know because I still have 119 left, and I've been trying to sell it to some of my friends because it's a great deal. 3-year residual on that is $25,000. This truck is 5 years old with 50,000 miles. Same as that 3-year residual on a new one. So they're still beating their residual, which is impressive for the #1 resale value vehicle for several years running. I'm Patrick over here, Gresham Toyota. If you're interested in this truck, it probably won't be here long, so hit me up soon. Have a great day.